In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deposit crypto on Polymarket. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So firstly, you will need to create your account. If you don't have one yet, I will leave a referral link in the description below. That will give you a bonus or special offers after your first deposit. So after you create your account, just go to deposit right here and you will find the option to transfer crypto. You can also connect your exchange if you are using Coinbase because the other ones are not available for now. But to deposit crypto, just go to transfer crypto and select the token or the coin you want to use. For example, let's say you want to deposit Bitcoin, just click right here. Then click right here to select the network or the chain. So for example, for Bitcoin, I can only choose the Bitcoin network and it has a minimum deposit of $10. So right here we got our deposit address and the QR code. So you can just use this address to send money from your wallet or from your exchange directly to this address right here and just send as much as you want. If you want to take the bonus or the special offer in case it's available right now, you will need to do a minimum deposit of $20. So that's it. That's how you can deposit crypto on Polymarket. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.